Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Star Wars Battlefront 2 not launching. If Star Wars Battlefront 2 won't launch, there are several ways to troubleshoot this quickly. First, try a simple restart of your PC. Often, this resolves minor glitches immediately. Next, run a game as an administrator. Right-click the Battlefront 2 shortcut, go to Properties, switch to the Compatibility tab, check Run as Administrator, then apply and confirm. For Steam users, verify the integrity of game files in your library to fix any corrupted or missing data. Xbox players should ensure their Gold Pass subscription is active and renewed. Finally, for Origin users, launch the game directly from the library menu rather than the shortcut. Open Origin, go to My Game Library, right-click Battlefront 2, and select Play. Following the steps should get you back into the galaxy without delay. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.